Hi guys, welcome back again. We are studying PowerPoint, right? Sometimes you should have think of adding sound on the slide, correct? Till now, you learned how to add the slide, how can you change the background color of the slide, how can you give title, subtitle, all these things you learned. Then a few students might have think that it would be more attractive that slide if you have some sound also along with that. When the slide comes on the full screen, okay, if you can hear some sound or some music along with that, that would be more attractive, right? So today we are going to learn that how can you add sound, how to insert sound clip on the slide, how to insert audio or sound on the slide. That is the topic today's inserting sound clip on the slide. So let me explain the steps once again. So first you have to understand the step, then we will see the video of it. Insert tab, first you have to select insert tab. Just right side of home tab you have insert tab in PowerPoint. Click on that and you will get one option towards the right, that is sound. Okay, towards the right you have the option sound. And when you click on sound, you are getting 3 or 4 options. One of this is sound from file. So this is the topic that today we are dealing with. So how can you select? How can you add sound? Insert tab. Choose the option sound and from there you have to choose sound from file. In this example, we are going to insert a sound that is already there in your computer. We are adding sound on the slide. So that sound we are taking from the hard disk of our computer. So that is already stored in the computer. We are taking and inserting on our particular slide or during our presentation. So here comes a video of it. So first we are opening PowerPoint. I think all the students know that the PowerPoint icon. Yes, you got the PowerPoint with a slide. Here you can add title, subtitle, everything. You can change the background color also. All these things you have studied. Here I am not doing anything. You are just showing you how to insert sound on the slide. Click on insert tab. That's what I am going to do. Click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. That is the first step. Towards the right you will get 2 options. One is movie and another one is sound. Okay. So you have to click on the down arrow of the sound. We are going to insert sound. So click on the down arrow. First option is choose from file. 4 different options are there. Some versions are having only 3 options. First one, choose from file. So we are choosing choose from file, or we are going to insert a sound that is from file. Okay, click on the first option. So you are getting a dialog box to choose the audio or sound. So directly my local drive D got opened and one folder also songs. Okay, I stored all my songs in that particular folder. So that get opened. From the icon you can identify that all these are sound files. All these are sound files. Choose the particular one that you want to insert on your slide. Choose, click and choose the particular slide or the sound you want to insert. So as soon as you insert, you are getting a dialog box having 2 buttons. How do you want to play your sound? That is first one automatically, second one is when clicked. First button automatically, second button when clicked. What is the difference between these two? Automatically means whenever you choose automatically, the sound get also played along with the slide. When the slide comes on full screen in slideshow or you are pressing F5, this sound or audio also play automatically. But when clicked option, if I choose when clicked, the music starts only when we are clicking the mouse. That is the main difference. When we are clicking the mouse only, that starts. So here I choose automatically. So you got one speaker icon there on your slide. Let me enlarge that. Speaker icon comes on the slide. That means you inserted some sound. Only this much. You have to insert sound so easily. Click on insert tab, choose the option sound and choose sound from file. Only these 3 steps. Insert tab, sound from file. These are the 3 options you have to choose. And again 2 buttons are there. Automatically you want to play along with the slide, or you have to play the music only when you click the mouse. So it depends on your requirement. You can choose either automatically or when clicked. Either of this one you can choose. So how can you see the effect? Press F5 key. F5 function key on your keyboard. So you can get your slide on the full screen. At the same time, you can hear the music also. So only these 3 steps to insert. Insert tab, sound. Choose your option, sound from file, and choose the location of the sound where you saved in your hard disk. Choose the particular one that you want to insert on the slide and click on OK button. As soon as you insert, you are getting a dialog box with the 2 options. Automatically you want to play or you want to play the music when clicked. Either of this one you can choose. And okay, you are getting a speaker icon on your slide. That means some sound or some audio files also inserted on the slide. That is the meaning of that. Speaker icon comes there. Okay, only this much for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Till then, you take care.